Welcome back. So basically I we have added the theme to the website. So now the website is looking great, but still there's a need of doing the customization and implementation of some functionality. So for that there's a requirement to do the setup of plugins. So basically what I will do, so I just need to go to the plugins from over here. And if I will, first of all, let's check the installed plugins. So what are the plugins which is installed? So here you can see this is the checkout plugins, Stripe for WooCommerce, Elementor. This is very important. So because we have added this theme, this is e-commerce theme. Okay, so that's why it has added these some plugins which is required for this theme to work. So basically WooCommerce plugin that is for accepting the payments. Here you can see secure way to accept credit card payments. This is for the integration of payments, like you have created a website to sell something, to sell clothes or whatever. So this is e-commerce website. You just need to collect the payment. Once the user will buy any product from your website, they just need to make the payment and you need to accept those payment in your account. So for the integration of payment, WooCommerce is mostly used and this is the number one plugin. And there are different method to use the to accept the payments using WooCommerce. So this is one method, Stripe. Okay, so you can just go to settings, and this is the option, like you just need to create a Stripe account, and after that you just need to connect it so that it will work. So this is for the Stripe, but if you will go to plugins, so I'm just going to the plugins from over here, and I'm just clicking on add plugin. So, and I'm entering WooCommerce. Although WooCommerce has been already installed and active, here you can see this is the WooCommerce active. So but there are other options. We just used Stripe, but if you want to use multiple options, like you have an account on PayPal, so if you want to use PayPal to receive the money through PayPal, so you can use that. And it's my recommendation, like just before installing any plugin you just need to check the ratings and reviews. So it has very not just less than average rating, so I will advise not to use this. So there will be another, like this is the payment plugin for Stripe. This is good, it has good rating, and here you can see this is by the payment plugins. And so you can just use this for the Stripe. Like this you will also have for the PayPal. So what you can do is, it is yeah, over here this is also from the payment plugin. So I will advise to use this because it has 5 out of 5 ratings and 90,000 plus active installation. So I will recommend this to use for the PayPal instead of using this one, because it has less ratings, less than average ratings. So like this you can use different type of Stripe and PayPal, Razorpay. So there are PayU. So there are different uh, type of plugins you can use and install and activate whatever you want. So let me go back to the plugins. So I'm going to install plugin. So this is very important to accept the payments, and this is Elementor to build the website. This is website builder, which is used to build the pages. This is very important and very good. And this is for the clearing the cache, and these are the starter templates which we have already used. And this is also fine. WooCommerce is very important to receive the payments. So now I will go to install another plugins which are very important, and it's good to install it in the beginning of your project. Once you will activate your theme and WordPress on your website, just activate. So it will give you the suggestion like these are the featured plugins. Like this is for spam protection. You very important. It's very important to install this. It will just block spam comments and prevent your site from spam. So it's very good to install this. This is for the jetpack and health check buddy press. So let me install. First of all, I'm installing Yoast SEO. That is very much important for in the terms of search engine optimization to rank your website high in the Google search. And you need to be very careful while installing the plugin. So here you can see I have entered SEO. So now it is showing SEO related plugins. And this is very important, like these are doing the functionality for SEO. If you will install more than one plugin of the same type, like if I will install this and I will also install this, so both will work. Okay, and they will be conflicting on your website, and your website will stop working. It will not work. There will be issue coming on your website. So it will be same example. If you will use to try lights cache related plugin, you will install more than one, so your website will stop working because of the confliction. As an and like if you will also try to use more than one plugin for the cache, for SEO, spam protection, okay, so your website will stop working. So it's good to have only one plugin to be installed, so that there will be no confliction on your website. So I'm just going to use Yoast SEO, and I'm using WordFence. That is for the firewall, malware scan and login security. I'm installing this, and this is to protect from virus and attacks. And next one is cache. We already have, and payment we have in Elementor. We do have, and okay, so yeah, that's fine. I think okay. One important is updraft. So this is for the backup. It's very important to take the backup of your website time on time. So if there's some critical issue or website crashes, so you can just recover your website. Okay, and another important is uh, yeah, this is a contact form 7. This is very important, just to create a contact form on your website. So this is this light speed cache, and this is also important if you want to use the Google. And this is for SSL if you want to implement SSL on your website. And okay, uh, yeah, this is also very important if you want to install some header and footers, some codes. And classic widgets, this is also very important. This is also very important for the terms of automation of your email sending. And there's one more essential add-ons. You can install this one, and there is one Royal Elementor. So there are so many plugins which you can use, but you need to be careful. Okay, and so I'm just going to install one Royal Elementor. It has very good templates for which we can use in our website. So here you can see this is the Royal Elementor add-ons. And one more I'm just going to install, that is disable gutter. You can search from over here. So I'm just, yeah, this is Gutenberg. You can just disable. It will disable the basic block editor. Okay, so now I have installed the plugins. What I need to do is I just need to click on activate, and I need to activate all of the plugins because these are just only installed, not activated. So I just need to select all of this, and I will use the bulk actions as to activate it. I will click on apply. So it is taking some time to activate all of the plugins. So now it has activated. So it is very important to do the settings of the plugins after the activating, otherwise they will not work fine. So this is for the essential add-ons. I'm just going to skip it right now. I will do it later. Okay, so basically whatever the plugins I have installed, I need to do the setting for it to work, and it will ask for it, like this is Yoast SEO, it is asking for the settings. So okay, let me just do the setting. So let's start with the Yoast SEO. So I'm just going to journal. So this is for the WordPress. You just need to click on resume installation. And so basically what you need to do is get your WordPress license. You just need to enter, after clicking on it, you just need to enter your email address, and it will send a license to your email address. Okay, which you need to enter. So I'm not doing it right now. So, and this is for setting up the payment. So okay, let's go for the WooCommerce. It's very important to do the settings for it. So this is the setup my store. So I'm just going to skip it. Okay, so I'm just clicking on continue. We just need to do this. So you can enter the details, correct details of your, you know, about your organization, about your company in the WooCommerce. So it will ask so many things. So here you can see, so it has just done the basic setup of creation of the store. So this is somewhat important because it creates some pages. Okay, so but you can just go to settings and you just enter the details. So you can enter the address of your store over here. So I am just entering some dummy values. But you can just enter the values as per your requirement. So if you are selling to all countries, then you can select accordingly. If you are selling to some particular country only, then you can uh, use the option accordingly. So this is the shipping locations. If you are shipping to all countries, so you can, if you are not shipping, like whether if you are selling some digital products, so you can use this option, disable shipping and shipping calculation. But this is we are creating a cloth related, so this is not digital product. So okay, so you can just select the location where you want to ship for the country. If you are looking to ship in your country only, then you can use that, otherwise you can select it accordingly. So default customer location, this is fine. If you want to enable tax, you can just select it. If you want to use the coupons, then you can select this one. And this is the currency, what currency you want to use. After that, you can just click on save changes, and after that you can just go to the next tab, that is products tab. And this is the shop page, it will be shop, and these are some default values, so this is fine. There's no need to change for this. In the text you can add something, like I want to add a 18% GST, and after that I need to click on save changes, and here you can see it is displaying 18% GST. Now it has created this class, so I just need to select it, and I need to enter some detail for this. So basically country code, that is India, state that's not required, rate is 18%, tax name I'm giving it a tax name of GST 18%, and that's fine, and I'm just clicking on save changes. And after that you can select the shipping option, and you can just add the zones as per your requirement. Okay, so it will guide you like how to create the shop zones. So as an example, if you belong to Rajasthan, and and if you want to deliver your product in Rajasthan only, okay, so you can just create the zones accordingly. Like this is for India and this is free shipping, but you can edit it. Like if you want to in the Rajasthan you want to give free shipping, then you can add a zone of Rajasthan, and you can select the shipping method as free shipping, and rest of the cities in the India you can just make the charges, whatever the charges you want to set, you can just set those charges like 100 rupees, 50 rupees, whatever. Okay, so next is the payment which we have considered already. So it will show you some information like this is for the Stripe. What you need to do is you just need to click on enabled if you want to enable this, and after that, so these are some different options. Cash on delivery, if you want to set it on, you can set it. Check payments, direct bank transfer. So whatever the payment option you want to accept, then you can use it, enable it, and after that you can just click on finish setup, and you just need to set up the payments. So here these are the option, and you just need to connect your account. So you need to go to the settings, like this is for the Stripe. It's very important to connect this account with your account, like connecting this website with your Stripe account is very important, because if that will not be connected, then you will not able to receive the money in your Stripe account. So this is very important part. If so, what you need to do is you just need to open Stripe account in another browser, and after that you can just need to click on connect with Stripe, and you need to connect it. Okay, so once it will get connect, any user will make payment on your website, you will receive that payment in your Stripe account. I hope this is clear. So like this you can add another options like PayPal, Razorpay, Pay You Extra. Okay, so that's pretty much about this lecture. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.